So you have YouTube Partnership Program or the TikTok Creator Fund. Which one should you go with and which one pays more? Coming up next. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Quincy. Welcome back to my channel. Here I teach you tips and tricks for social media. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you never miss an upcoming video that I upload. So YouTube or TikTok, which one should I be on? Which one should I upload my content? And then of course, which one pays more? Let's be honest, guys. Hey, I had that same question years ago and I'm actually succeeding on both of them. So this is a tough one. Oh man. It's not all about the money, but when bills gotta get paid, it's all about the money. Let's keep it real. Before I get started, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, I have links in my video also on how to go from 0 subscribers to 500 subscribers in a month, or even from 0 to 2K subscribers. Make sure you look for that video. And also, if you want to know how to get more followers on TikTok, there's a link in the description for that as well. So first, let's start with, what do you get paid for on YouTube and on TikTok? On YouTube, advertisers will pay you a CPM, also known as click per milli, depending on how you want to say it, per 1,000 views. And on TikTok, you are paid for your views and your videos going viral. Now, right off the bat, to let you know, TikTok has just came around with the Creator Fund in August of 2020. Now, reading from TikTok, TikTok revenue is determined by views and engagement and what region those views came from, whether it be the United States or outside the US. So if there's no engagement, you can actually get paid less. If you don't have views but you have high engagement, you can still get a good payment. Now, in this video, we're also going to show you the differences and even which platform has a breakdown, which one doesn't, and which one is probably easier to understand, or should I say more user-friendly. On YouTube, you have the Studio app, which I'll show you right here. And as you see, you have your dashboard, and you can click on Analytics, then click on the Revenue tab. You will see your estimated revenue within the last 28 days. I do have money in there. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm happy to be making something. And you can immediately see the breakdown. You can see, if you scroll down here, ad types, the last 28 days. 54% of my revenue is from skippable video ads. I don't want to force everybody to watch videos before they see a video, so feel free to watch it. It'll help me out. Watch it to its entirety. But hey, you know what? If you really want to get to the content, it's okay. Skip the ad, go straight to the video. Bumper ads, which are the banner ads that show up, or they might pop up in the middle of a video and they might just display on the bottom. 34% of my revenue has come from that. Now, this is my first month making money on YouTube, so I'm excited, like I said, to be making something. Display ads, which will be on the right side when people are browsing on YouTube. Once again, I'm here to try to help you understand which platform pays more, or at least which one is paying more for me. That way, to give you a little insight. These numbers can change overnight. Trust me, I've seen them change. I've seen my income go up. I've seen it slowly climb, and I've seen it just sit there. And so this is just to help you and to give you an idea if you're on the fence. Man, should I really go all in for YouTube, or should I really go all in for TikTok Creator Fund? That's what this video is about. It's really not about how much I'm making or how much I'm not making. I want this to be a teaching tutorial. Which one should I go for, or which platform is better for me to go after. Now, as you see, I have top earning videos. How to use a microphone in duet mode. I've earned $40.59 in the last 28 days on that video. TikTok Feature Stitch, $14.15. It gives you a breakdown on what videos are earning what amount. I like that. That shows me what type of videos to make, what direction to go in, what should I focus on, what people are really looking for. And this is my wife calling in the middle of my YouTube video. Hold on. Hey, babe. It also shows you your CPM by country. So in Australia, I'm at $4.79. United States, I'm at $4.57. So basically, without going all the way down the list, I make more in Australia when ads are placed on my videos than I do in the United States, which is kind of cool to know. And just when I actually click on top earning videos, it actually goes all the way down the list from the period, which basically the last month of August 18th to September 14th, or it could be September 18th, the whole period on what I've made for all of those videos. I just think it's really, really good to know. So let's talk about TikTok. We are going to go to my Creator Fund, click on Creator Fund. Now, I'm not rich on TikTok, but I'm doing pretty well, and I've made some quality content. Right off the bat, you instantly see that I'm making less on TikTok than I am on YouTube. Now, yes, YouTube has been around for a while, so TikTok is just getting there. I'm sure they're going to get on the ball. I'm sure TikTok is going to grow, going to expand. But let's just dive into this. But if you look at my daily, let me start by saying ever since I've been monetized on YouTube, I make anywhere from $5 a day to $10 a day. And on TikTok, unfortunately, I make anywhere from 10 cents a day to $1.25. Now, I will say it's because I haven't lately had any viral videos. In my profile on TikTok, I have about 4 videos that have over 1 million views, a couple with 3 million views, some with 2 million views. So I just haven't landed a 1 million view video. I will say the higher the video, you will have a dollar amount hit your account. I've had a couple of friends do the math, and one of my friends mentioned that for a 1 million view video, you would get paid $250. I'm waiting to do a 1 million view video because I just want to see how accurate that could be, and it's possible. Obviously, I haven't hit a 1 million view video on YouTube. My highest video right now is 65,000 views, and it's good to know that I'm still earning. Many of you wanting to know on YouTube or TikTok, will you be paid or compensated for all the views you've got on a viral video in the past? No, you won't. You're only going to get paid by views that you accrue from now going forward. So for a video that I had and it already had 50,000 views, unfortunately I got approved to be monetized on YouTube after that, so I don't get paid for none of those views, but it's a good thing to know that some of those videos are still trending. And likewise the same on TikTok. I wish I could get paid for my 4 viral videos that have over 1 million views. If you really want to find them, just scroll through my TikTok profile and you will see them. But back to this, if you look at my Creator Fund dashboard, you see 6 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 70 cents, 47 cents. After a while, I gotta be honest, it kind of got a little bit discouraging, but I am grateful to be earning money on TikTok for doing something that I love to do. So hey, thank you TikTok. But ultimately, when you compare the TikTok Creator Fund dashboard and the YouTube Studio dashboard, total different. You see breakdowns here. You know exactly what video's paying you what. You see your CPM. You know exactly what type of content to make. Here, I don't know on TikTok what video paid me $1.51. I wish I knew. And when you try to go back to see 3 days before, you can kind of get confused, because if you look back 3 days, well, this video had 30,000 views, and the one right next to it had 20,000 views, and the one above it had 8,000 views. So which one paid me the $1.51? You really don't know. That's like I said, once again, I'm just trying to give you guys some insight. Please put your questions in the comments. I love answering questions. I try to answer all questions on my leisure time. I'm only going to tell you what I know. So if you have questions, I'm not finna guess. I'm not finna fabricate. I'm not finna, beat around the bush. I'm going to tell you what I know if I can say it and if I'm allowed to say it. So drop your comments, drop your questions. I'm here to help you that way. You know what platform you might want to go on or want to be on, or which one is going to be beneficial to you. There are so many ways that you can make money on YouTube. It's not even funny. So there's links that you can put in your description, affiliate links to different websites, different products, and you get a percentage of those sales But you can't do that on TikTok. You can't put affiliate links in your description, in your description of the video. You can put one link in your bio, and that link better kill it. That link better be the sell all to all things. Now, what I will mention, and I don't want to leave out, is I have gotten a countless number of emails from people offering to pay me a sum of money to do videos with their product in a TikTok video. My most recent one was just actually 2 days ago. So whether it's free products, free t-shirts, free clothes, free items that I can use around the house, I have gotten anywhere from $100 to $150. I've gotten paid $300 to be on someone's website. There is money to be made on TikTok, but the way that you're going to make that money is just a little bit different. And so once you have a certain following, you'll begin to get DMs and emails. I do suggest having a business email in your bio. Right now, I've actually made more money on TikTok than I have on YouTube, but I just got monetized on YouTube. So we'll see what's to come in the next few months, in the next year. Hey guys, once again, I hope you really understand the things that I've been going over in this video. Once again, if you have questions, please put those comments down below. I have videos on how you can make money on YouTube and how you can grow your channel, and also how you can be a part of the Creator Fund, so make sure you watch those videos as well. Ultimately, you decide what's best for you and for your lifestyle. YouTube Partnership Program or the TikTok Creator Fund. Hey, once again, I'm Quincy, leaving you tips and tricks for social media. Hope you really learned a lot from this video. I'll see you next time.